Hi, it's Julien Barker at South Street Chiropractic, here with Maddie, who's just been telling me she's got some neck and headache issues, and also your left shoulder is stiffened up, and you had a massage yesterday, found loads of stuff, so we're just going to work through that and see what we find. Brilliant. Up you jump. Okay. So, PD is normally right with you. Yeah, and you can see that from there, very clearly right. Kind of thickness of sole there, so that's an easy, kind of close to half an inch difference there, good kind of a centimetre. Okay, go up to position 2, and yes, there we go, it drops away. Position 1, if it's dropping away in position 2, that is usually an acute injury, which it sounds like that has been working hard. That's what's going on here. Okay, so we go straight to L4, left hand up behind your back. There you go, gotcha. Okay, and arm back down by side. Right, so that is just going to get stuck in there. Crest of the ilium, come across, find the inferior articulating process of number 4, and release. Should be able to see, if I just keep my hands up, if you just come back down to there, and I do exactly the same thing again, it's definitely reduced that. It's about halfway there with one adjustment. So, cool. Good start. So, both hands up behind your back together. And both back down by sides. Take your right hand up by your face. Good, big deep breath in. And now left hand up as well. And T8. Turn your head, sorry, arms down by your sides. Getting ahead of himself. T8. I'll take it down to setting 2 for this. I can feel that there. T8 definitely comes up with shoulders. Does everybody see that? Big twitch response there, right the way through the whole shoulder girdle. There we go, and the right one. Okay, so turn your head to the right. Lift the right shoulder up off the couch and back down. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears and back down. Squeeze the right elbow flat against your side and that way. Squeeze the left one in and let go. Okay, so we have both shoulders rotating out, so a bilaterally lateral scapular pattern. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Head back into the centre. See, that pattern tends to be I'm using the arms a lot in fatigue. Can be I'm not sleeping too well. And I'm going to do this on setting 1 here, and we'll just see if it changes. Lighter, faster, bigger neurological input. Also just mindful, I've mainly had a massage yesterday, you know, that process is still happening, so let's not overcook it. Exactly the same on this side. To be a little bit careful at the moment with that last adjustment, because making sure I'm definitely not adjusting people on the injection sites tends to be left. However, some people choose to go right. Let's lift up your head, back down. Just tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre. Okay, send your head to the right again, and squeeze right elbow into your side, and let go. So go back and check that scapula. Same on the left, and let go. Yeah, cleared that nicely, good. Turn your head all the way left. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Yeah, first rib can be on the non-PD side. Head back into the centre. I think that's actually in the textbook. If I'm honest, one I tend to forget, so trying not to. And it's a first rib adjustment, but guys, you know, it's bang into that trapezius muscle and definitely can pick up on trigger points in there. Okay, shrug both shoulders up to your ears and down. Turn your head to the right, look up top right corner. That's the one. Look down at your right shoulder. Head back into the centre. So you just run through some stuff to do with headaches and then shoulder muscles. The big link would be the upper trapezius trigger point. So push your forehead into the couch. And there we go. And there we go, that would be a very clear superior occiput, which is going to affect the suboccipitals and, well, crackers for headaches. Could you just take your hairband out? Or do that, even better. There we go. Good. Let's find the external occipital protuberance, basically the knobbly bit, down to setting 1, be nice, finger to stabilise. Head back into the centre. Definitely has a big effect on the inside of the occiput, on, as I was taught it, the reciprocal tension membrane between the upper trapezius muscles and the membrane on the inside of the occiput. Okay, turn your head to the right, tip the back of your head towards your left shoulder. Cool, now bring the left shoulder up towards the back of your head. Yeah, not too much, but definitely there. Head back into the centre. So maybe this one last one. This is levator scapulae, top of the angle of shoulder. Definitely massage therapist's favourite in terms of actually causing problems and actually doing it. Am I on it there? Mm-hmm. You definitely are, yeah. Inflammation into that tendon there, it's super painful, often gets described as a trapped nerve. It feels nervy, it feels, if you ask people what colour it is, they will often say black or red. Cool, good. I'm going to stop there and we'll see how Andy gets on with that. Good, see you next time.